Alright. Just keep going. Keep going. Rosie. Now watching my brother play, I think there's one here. Behind your ass, I remember it was you. Oh! Get out, get out.
¿Qué fue?
Goddamn grandmother. She doesn't know I'm recording. Goddamn her. This place again. Oh no! Oh no! No! My camera! Goddamn camera! Sorry guys. I will change everything. Whatever. My friend told me. He goes by the name of Kenneth, I presume. He said some bullshit about changing your settings. Just go to YouTube and yeah, bullshit. I'm gonna listen to him, and not right now. Right now I have to do everything I can to survive. I'm shaking with fear. I probably went in a circle anyways. Doesn't matter. Please leave me alone, Slender's brother. Goddamn. Déjame en paz. You know what? Fucking get me, get me. I don't care, just get me. Get me. Get me, I quit. I quit. I quit. Quit. I quit. I so definitely quit. Probably in the near future, I'll play with friends. With them, I'll probably play with them, and I hope it becomes better because I don't know. I don't like doing this alone. I want like someone's help. You could say I'm a pussy. Yeah. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, what do you guys think I should do next? What next let's play should I do? Yeah. Just put a comment, tell me what I should do next. But what I am gonna do after this video probably is I'm gonna do a Mass Effect 2 walkthrough. So, see you guys later.